Hi friends, this is Amrit and you are watching my YouTube channel The Smart Street. Today it's a holiday in the market. It's Shivratri. Happy Shivratri to all of you. So let's see how market performed yesterday and what are the key levels for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I have already plotted the key levels. These are the pivot levels. On the right side you can see this is the Bank Nifty, and on the left you will see that it's a daily chart. I don't have any indicator as of now, and I will plot that. So let's see. Let me convert this first into hourly chart, and as if you can see, where are we? Let me draw the channel. We are in this channel, okay. I have explained this in my last video, and we have broken out of this triangle pattern which was developing in between this parallel line. Okay, so let's plot the indicators. So what happened yesterday? That market gapped up, and let me convert this into 15-minute chart so you can see clearly what actually happened. Okay, so this is from here we started yesterday, and the market opened gapped up at R1, shoot up and then fell. What was the reason? This was a very as soon as the market opened, you should have waited for this 50 minutes, and on this close you could have comfortably taken a short trade for a target of this at least. Why I am telling you? Because most of the time you will notice that when there is a gap up, and if it didn't sustain the first R1, if the opening is near around and below R1, and if it doesn't sustain, most likely it is going to test the pivot level. So let's look back. This level over here, this blue line, is the weekly R1. Yesterday also this was R2, and over here a day before yesterday, this R2 was day before yesterday, and this is of pivot for yesterday. It was R2. So this was the cluster zone. So it was highly unlikely that market was going to go above that on the opening. It was not able to sustain. Okay, it didn't, and it fell down, took a support below, went below pivot, but closed above pivot. Over here, one could have taken a long trade and could have made intraday move. So let's see what it has done on hourly chart. On hourly chart, we are just about to cross the cloud. We are above Kijun-sen. We have closed above pivot comfortably. So for tomorrow, pivot is going to be 35,959. So the closing is at 35,938. So we are somewhere around that. Top pivot is at 35,970. Below pivot is at 35,948. So again, if you see, this is tomorrow is going to be the fourth consecutive day of central pivot range, which is in tight range, and weekly we already have that. So what does this indicates? For last 3 days I have been consistent that a big move is awaiting. It was supposed to happen on the expiry day, which was yesterday. It was expiry because today is holiday. It was supposed to happen that, because if it would have sustained above 36,050 or 75, a massive short covering was going to happen, because a lot of contract, approximately 1,04,000 open interest was there of yesterday expiry. And what about the 18th and then 25th March of expiry? So a massive short covering was to be expected, but yet it didn't happen. Market closed below that. So I'm expecting on this that, on technical basis, that we might see a big move tomorrow. This theory is being supported by, I can tell you that yesterday Dow closed higher. It traded well enough and closed at, let me tell you how many points it was up. Dow was up 464 points. Right now Dow future is at 140 points up. Dollar index has fell below 92. 10-year bond is down. 10-year bond, US bond is down. So, and SGX Nifty as of now is trading 195 points up. 195 point up. Okay, let me show you that. See over here. SGX Nifty is 194.50 up as of now. So what is going to happen tomorrow? I will talk on this later, but over here let's look at the pivot points for tomorrow, that these are the key levels. So first target 36,154, second target 36,371, third target 36,566. But I'm expecting 37,000. I'm still adamant on that, and I will see how it goes. There should be at least 1,000 point rally on Bank Nifty tomorrow. So these are the levels. In anyhow, if it comes towards 35,948, one can take a long below, taking a support of below pivot and take a long. Let's see how it goes. This is the pivot levels for Bank Nifty. You can note it down. Okay, so let's check out Nifty. This is Nifty daily chart, and here I have already plotted the Nifty pivot levels. So let me plot the indicators. These blue lines are the weekly pivot. We are above Kijun Sen. Convert this into an hourly chart, trading comfortably above cloud pivot, and we have closed above pivot on Nifty as well. Also the good thing happened that on Nifty and Bank Nifty the gap up was filled. Okay, so how did we manage? We opened, we sustained, we closed above R1, then fell, and we fell, and it's again shoot up and close near around R1 of yesterday. So for tomorrow the key pivot levels are 15,000, 164 is the pivot, 69 is top pivot, below pivot is 59. So again the tight range over here for the fourth consecutive day. Weekly pivot is also squeezed. So R1 is at 15,228, 1582 is R2, R3 is at 15,346. Again, I am repeating that I am looking for a target of 15,584 for this week. Tomorrow is the last trading day for this week, and I will be looking for this target to come. Okay, considering the factor that right now global markets are doing, and the bond market and dollar index fell down. So these are the key levels. You can note it down, and let's see how it performs. So thank you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.